Welcome, billionaires in the making. Welcome back to the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Every time you see my videos pop up and choose to watch, you're making a commitment to your financial freedom. I do not take that for granted. Billionaires in the making. If you believe this video is going to be amazing, go ahead and type amazing in the comments right now. Let's set the right energy for success. What if I told you that making $10,000 a month is easier than you think? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. Give me a chance to walk you through this step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how you can turn a low salary into millionaire status. Billionaires in the making, do you believe me? Let's dive in, and I'll let you be the judge. The simple strategy to get rich on a low salary. This method doesn't require technical skills, prior experience, or a big salary. It's so simple that even a 10-year-old could execute it. If you believe that financial success is within your reach, type "I can make 10K per month" in the comments. Let's start manifesting it now. Step 1. Master your spending habits. Before you can grow your wealth, you must control where your money goes. Cut unnecessary spending. Are you buying things that don't add value to your future? Think long-term. That $5 coffee every day? That's over $1,800 per year. If invested, that could turn into over $400,000 over time. Make your money work for you. Billionaires, do you see how small changes can create massive wealth? Type wealth mindset if you're ready to shift your financial habits. Step 2. Increase your income with smart moves. If your salary alone isn't enough, don't worry. You have the power to make more. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, e-commerce, consulting. The opportunities are endless. Negotiate your salary. Many people leave money on the table because they don't ask for a raise. Invest in skills that pay more. A $500 course could increase your salary by $20,000 or more per year. If you're ready to start making more money, comment "money moves" below. Step 3. The power of consistency and investing. You don't have to make huge moves overnight. The secret to wealth is small, consistent steps over time. If you invest just $100 per month at an 8% interest rate, in 10 years, you could have $18,000. And in 30 years, you could have over $150,000. Billionaires, can you commit to saving at least $20 a week? If yes, type "I'm in" the comments. Step 4. Reinforce your financial mindset. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about money, it's about how you think about money. Stop seeing money as something to spend. See it as a tool for freedom. Cut back on instant gratification. Small sacrifices today create financial abundance tomorrow. Surround yourself with success. Join our global billionaire family and build a rich mindset. If you're ready to shift your money mindset, comment "Money Mindset Shift" below. This method puts you in control. With this strategy, there are absolutely no limits. You are in complete control of your financial future. Billionaires in the making, if this strategy makes sense to you, type "game changer" in the comments. Your next steps. Take action now. Subscribe to the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy and join our global billionaire family. Like this video if you found value. Comment your biggest takeaway. Share this with someone who needs to hear this. Billionaires, your financial freedom starts today. Let's get rich together.